Hi guys, how we doing? Just a wee quick one. These are my onions that I sowed on the 7th of January. Ailsa Craig and Bedfordshire Champion here, and these are some lettuce that I've started off, and I've transplanted some of them, and I've still got some to do. So far this is all I've done this season. This is a fan that I rigged up using a phone charger plugged into a laptop fan, wired up to a laptop fan, and it keeps the air circulating inside. They were on heat for about 3 days, and then I turned them off. I switched the heat off, so they're just on their own. I'm going to be putting these onions into individual cells like that, and then putting them out into the greenhouse to grow on. And that's as much as I've got done this season. Okay, thanks for watching.